See, in the previous video, I discussed about aldol condensation, which is a reaction of aldehyde with alpha hydrogen. Now, the next concept is cross aldol condensation. As the name suggests, this is a reaction of two different aldehyde or one aldehyde and one ketone, where minimum one will have the alpha hydrogen. There is no question that when the cross aldol reaction is there, both should have the alpha hydrogen. Example just here, CH3 CHO acetaldehyde. This have the alpha hydrogen. Reaction with HCHO formaldehyde. Alpha hydrogen is not there. Then it is cross aldol only. CH3 CHO plus CH3 CHO. This reaction is not cross aldol because both are same molecule. This is not cross aldol. Now take this example now. CH3 CHO react with benzaldehyde. Again cross aldol because one is acetaldehyde and another is benzaldehyde, two different aldehydes. CH3 CH2 CHO reaction with CH3 CHO. This is propanol, this is ethanol, two different aldehyde, again cross aldol only. CH3 CO CH3 plus CH3 CH2 CO CH3, again cross aldol only because there is alpha hydrogen, there is alpha hydrogen, alpha hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. So here also reaction takes place. These are all cross aldol reactions. Means this molecule will give the cross aldol reactions over there. Not this much alone is the cross aldol. You have to go for the further reactions also. And remember, when a cross aldol reaction takes place, we won't get only one type of product. Many products will be there. Just see. See the example. CH3 CH2 CHO prop and al reaction with CH3 CHO eat al with dilute NaOH A heating B. So what happened here? See, this molecule from this, a hydrogen may be removed by the dilute NaOH, so that CH3 CH minus CHO can be formed. This is plus. Okay. Now this can attack CH3 CHO. We shifted the hydrogens taken by this. So what is the product now? I am going to get CH3 COH H, then CH, then CH3 CHO. For the simplicity, what I do is this H I write here, OH I write here, so that I can easily show the removal of water molecule. Heating, water molecule removed. So what I am going to get? Write down the product now. CH3 CH, then double bond CH, then CH3 CHO. This is the first product. CH3 CHO, ethanol, that also have the alpha hydrogen. So this can be taken by the OH minus, so that this will become the minus, plus CH3 CH2 CHO. This attacks the carbon and carbon, please shift it, the hydrogen is taken by this. So what the product will be there? Just see here. CH3 CH2 CHOH, then CH CHO. All down. Now what you do is you heat it, a water molecule gets removed, so that what I am going to get now? Just see here. CH3 CH2, then CH, double bond CH, then CHO. I am going to get a second product now. See, as we use the sodium hydroxide, certain molecule of CH3CHO can go for not the cross aldehyde, they may go for the aldehyde condensation only. Thereby, what will happen then? CH2H, this becomes the minus, CH3 CHO. So this can attack over here, this shift it. So I am going to get CH3 CHOH CHO. Due to the aldehyde condensation, I can get this product also. Heat it. A water molecule will be removed, so that what I am going to get? CH3 CH, double bond CH CHO. Unsaturated aldehyde. We call it as crotonaldehyde also. If COH is there, then crotonic acid, crotonaldehyde. And this compound also known as beta hydroxy aldehyde also. Why beta? Alpha, beta. This has the functional group. So this alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. So aldehyde condensation, first product will be the beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. Where I get the beta hydroxy aldehyde? If I take the aldehyde, if I take the ketone, I am going to get beta hydroxy ketone also. That will convert it into unsaturated aldehyde ketone. So what is aldehyde condensation? Reactions of aldehyde or ketone with alpha hydrogen to give beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone, which on heating gives unsaturated aldehyde or ketone that is known as aldol condensation. Whereas cross aldol condensation means reactions of aldehyde or a ketone in which minimum one will have the alpha hydrogen, where the other aldehyde or a ketone may or may not have the alpha hydrogen to give beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone, which on heating gives unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. That will be the cross aldol condensation. CH3 CHO plus HCHO. Now see here, what are the now see here, this has alpha hydrogen, this does not have alpha hydrogen, still aldol condensation only, but cross aldol condensation. Like this, the question can be there. So what will happen then? CH2 HCHO plus HCHO. This becomes the negative. So this attack, the carbon and carbon shifted to that hydrogen will be present. So what is the product? Use HCHOH, HH, then this take the OH, then C double bond OH. You heat it, water molecule get removed, shifted. So what is the product? HCH double bond CHCHO. This is the product. And remember, another product will be the final product. I am saying CH3CH double bond CHO also will be there, because this molecule can go for simple aldol condensation also, not cross aldol. They themselves can go for aldol condensation. This product will be there, and certain molecules of the formaldehyde may go for Cannizzaro reaction also, because we use sodium hydroxide. Little bit. Okay, so we get more than one product. Remember this. You won't get only one product. When this alone goes for the aldol condensation, final product will be this. Before that, what will happen then? This will give CH3 CHOH CH2 CHO also, beta hydroxyaldehyde. This on heating, use this. CH3 CHO with C6H5CHO benzaldehyde. See, CH2HCHO plus C6H5CHO. This is negative. Attack this, shifted hydrogen get taken by this. So what I am going to get? C6H5CHOH, then CH2, then CHO, which I can write as HH also. Water molecule get removed. So on heating, what I am going to get? C6H5CH, then double bond CHO. This is called as cinnamaldehyde. Or if the COH is there, cinnamic acid. What is the effect name? 1, 2, 3. 3-phenyl prop 2-ene-al. This is the effect name also. At carbon number 3 there is a C6H5 group. At carbon number 2 there is a double bond. So in this, again, we will go for NaOH dilute A heating B. Water react B. Again, different product will be there. First one, CH3 CO CH2H. This becomes negative, this becomes plus. Plus CH3 CHO. So this shifted. So what is the product? CH3, then CHOH, CO CH3. Heat it. Water molecule get removed. I am going to get CH3 CH double bond CH, then CO CH3. Unsaturated ketone will be there. What are the effect name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 3-ene-2-one. At carbon number 2 there is a ONE group, ketone group. At carbon number 3 there is a double bond. See, the second product what can be obtained from this? CH2HCHO. This also have the alpha hydrogen, so this will become minus. Then CH3COCH3. This will attack the carbonyl carbon, shifted. That is taken by this. So I am going to get CH3CH3OH, then CHCHO. Heat it. A water molecule get removed. So what is the product? CH3, then double bond CH, then CHO. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3-methyl bute 2-ene-al. This is the second product. See, the third product is CH3COCH3. This can go for simple aldol condensation only of CH2H. So this is negative, this This attack CH3 CO CH3 carbonyl carbon of another acetone molecule. So what I am going to get? CH3 C OH C H CO CH3. Heat it. I am going to get CH3 double bond CH, then COCH3. What are the products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 methyl pent 3E 2ONE. Last product CH2H CHO. This acetaldehyde can go for simple aldol condensation. So what I am going to get? CH3 CHOH CH then C double bond OH. Heat it. Water molecule get removed. I am going to get CH3 CH double bond CH CHO protonaldehyde. So they may give 3 names and they may say all of this also. Like when acetone is treated with the acetaldehyde, the product obtained is, they may give protonaldehyde, then what the product obtained from this aldol condensation, then this attacking to this attacking this, and they may say all of this also. Then you have to go for all of this as the final product over there. Then you have to go for all of this as the final answers over there, not the final product in the competitive exams. Try to write the aldol and the Cannizzaro reactions for different molecules as a homework. Means while writing for the Cannizzaro reaction, keep it in mind, alpha hydrogen should not be there. Such aldehyde you take. Whereas when you go for the aldol condensation, take an aldehyde or a ketone which does have the alpha hydrogen. When you go for the cross aldol, keep it in mind, minimum one molecule should possess alpha hydrogen. Other may or may not have the alpha hydrogen. With that you go for writing the reactions. Take some homework. See here, this is CH2, this also CH2, means alpha hydrogens are present.